Hello, in this video I will be explaining one of the most demanded and widely used method of WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp Virtual. Vokies has brought to you an amazing platform using which you can send messages to millions of people in a day. Yes, you heard it right. Now, I will be explaining you how it works. In platform like Virtual WhatsApp, your messages will be sent from random virtual numbers using call to action button, quick reply button, or even you can send messages from a virtual number which has your desired DP, display picture. Now, you must be wondering, what is a virtual number? A virtual number is a number that is non-operational, or you can say that does not exist. And the best part, these numbers will be owned and managed by Vokies. And if you want to know why people run their WhatsApp marketing campaigns from random virtual numbers, then you need to understand that WhatsApp's policy does not allow you to send spam, bulk or marketing messages to unknown senders from your WhatsApp number. And if you do that and violate WhatsApp's policy, WhatsApp will ban your number and you will never be able to create a WhatsApp account on that number again. That's why people who want to run bulk WhatsApp marketing campaign use WhatsApp virtual method for the purpose of marketing, broadcasting, branding, customer acquisition, as well as lead generation. Now that you know what WhatsApp virtual is, let's dive into a live demo of how to run a campaign using Vokies' innovative platform. To begin, visit Vokies' website www.vokies.com and click on Services, then WhatsApp Virtual. Scroll down and you will see multiple options like normal message with DP, reply button and CTA button. Now, what are the differences in them? I will discuss in the later part of the video. Assume you choose CTA button and now you have to scroll down to click on Get Started. Now, choose the required credits, add to cart and proceed with payment. Now, let's understand what are credits. Credits represent the number of messages you want to send. For instance, if you want to send messages to 50,000 people, simply buy 50,000 credits. To maximize your saving, consider purchasing a large quantity of credits. Since these credits never expire, you can use them at your convenience over the years, making it a smart and cost-effective investment for your future marketing needs. Once your order is processed, you will receive an email from Vokies with your login credential within a couple of hours. Now, log into the website using your username and password. This is what your dashboard will look like. Let's start by understanding the 4 types of messages you can send using our virtual platform. First, we have the normal message. A normal message is a simple message without any quick reply button, call to actions button or display picture button. With a normal message campaign, you can send text messages of up to 1,500 characters. Add up to 4 images, 1 MB each, 1 PDF up to 3 MB and 1 video up to 5 MB. This means you can include up to 6 media files in one message and it will only cost 1 credit. If you want your recipients to contact you after reading the message, make sure to include your website link, URL or phone number directly in the text. Now let's see how to send a normal message campaign. Step 1. Click on DP campaign. Don't worry, we'll get to DP campaigns later. Step 2. Write a campaign name. This is just the title for your campaign. It won't be visible to your recipients. For example, you can name it Holy Greetings. Step 3. Add phone numbers. Copy and paste the 10-digit Indian phone numbers without country codes in this box. Step 4. Type or paste your text message in the provided space. Step 5. Add your multimedia files, image, PDF or video if needed. Then scroll down and check the box that say I accept and agree. That's it. Click on send without DP and your message will be delivered. One important thing to remember, in a campaign there has to be a minimum of 100 contacts and a maximum of 50,000 contacts. Well, that's not the limit actually. You can run multiple campaigns in a day. Since this platform is built for bulk messaging, you can't send a message to fewer than 100 recipients at a time. Now, let's move to the second type of message, the normal message with DP. A normal message with DP allows you to send messages with a custom display picture on the virtual number. Yes, your recipients will see the message coming from a number with your chosen DP. Cool, right? I thought you'll like that. Just like the normal message, you can send text messages of up to 1500 characters. Add up to 6 multimedia files including images, PDFs and videos. But here's one important condition. For a DP campaign, you need to send messages to minimum of 25,000 contacts. You can't run a DP campaign with fewer numbers than that. Now, let me show you how to run a DP campaign. Step 1. Click on DP campaign. Step 2. Write a campaign name. Let's name it Diwali greeting this time. Step 3. Add phone numbers. Copy and paste the 10-digit Indian phone numbers without country codes in this box as already told. Step 4. Type or paste your text message in the provided space. Step 5. Add your multimedia files, images, PDFs or videos, then upload the DP you want the recipients to see. Scroll down and check the box that say I accept and agree. That's it. Click on Send with DP and your message will be delivered with your chosen DP on the virtual number. Here's a quick preview of how your message will look to recipients. One important thing to remember, the DP on the virtual number will automatically change after 6 to 7 hours of the campaign being delivered. So choose your campaign type accordingly. Next up is the reply button campaign. This type of campaign lets you set up quick reply buttons in your message. The best part, when your recipients click on button like yes or no, you can see their response in the WhatsApp report and follow up with them. But remember, you'll only see their responses if they reply within 6 hours of receiving the message. In a quick reply button campaign, you will get predefined buttons. The question will be, are you interested? And the option will be yes or no. Don't worry if this sounds a bit confusing. Let me show you how it works. When you are on your dashboard, click on button campaign. Write your campaign title. Copy and paste the 10 digits Indian phone numbers. Write your text message. Now, here click on add button. The predefined buttons yes or no will automatically appear. You can't change these buttons. Add up to 4 images, 1 MB each, 1 video up to 5 MB. Scroll down and check the box that say I accept and agree. Finally, click on send now and your campaign will be delivered. A quick check on the campaign limits. In a campaign, there has to be a minimum of 100 contacts and a maximum of 50,000 contacts. Well, that's not the limit actually. You can run multiple campaigns in a day. Here's a quick preview of how your message will look to the recipients. Now, let's move to the fourth and final type of campaign, the CTA button campaign. This is a virtual campaign where you can add call to action, CTA buttons to redirect your users to any platform you want. Let me quickly show you how it works. Click on action button and then new campaign. Write your campaign title. Copy and paste the 10 digits Indian phone numbers. Write your text message here. You can use up to 550 characters since it's a CTA button campaign. Now let's set up your CTA buttons. You'll get 2 CTA button options. URL button redirects your users to a website or link. Call button lets users call a number directly. You can customize the button name like visit website, fill Google form, book your appointment, call now, etc. There's also an unsubscribe button that will always appear as per Meta's policy. When it comes to adding multimedia, you can include only one file, either an image up to 1 MB, a PDF up to 3 MB or a video up to 5 MB. Once you have added your multimedia, follow the same steps. Scroll down and check the box that say I accept and agree. Click on send now and your campaign will be delivered. Campaign limit will be a little different here. In a campaign, there has to be minimum of 500 contacts and maximum of 50,000 contacts. Well, that's not the limit. You can run multiple campaigns in a day. Here's a quick preview of how your CTA button campaign will look to recipients. That's it. These are the 4 types of virtual campaign that Vokies offers. Choose the one that best suits your needs, but make sure to carefully review the terms and conditions associated with each type. If you'd like to see how it works live, schedule a demo call with Team Vokies. The link to book your demo is in the description box. Now that you are ready to send your campaigns, here are some essential guidelines to keep in mind. Campaign processing time. Please note that it may take up to 24 hours to deliver all messages, regardless of campaign size, 100 or 1 million. Be patient and plan your campaigns accordingly. Processing hours and days. All campaigns are processed between 10 AM and 6 PM on working days, Monday to Saturday. Plan your campaigns accordingly to ensure timely delivery. Report updates. If you don't receive campaign message for any reason, wait for the report update, which will be available within 24 working hours after campaign is sent. Now that you have learned how to run a campaign, let's explore how to check your WhatsApp report. Accessing your report. Head back to your dashboard. Click on WhatsApp report. Your report is now at your fingertips. Now the best part, you don't pay for undelivered messages. Let me explain you. Assume you are sending messages to 1,000 people, but 100 of them don't receive the message. Those 100 credits will be refunded back to your credit account. And yes, that's not all. Let's dive into another feature that'll streamline your campaign process. Filtering contact numbers. When setting up your campaign, you'll see 4 colorful boxes: total, valid, invalid, and duplicate. This feature instantly filters your contact numbers, showing you total number pasted, 10-digit valid numbers, invalid numbers, and duplicate numbers. Once you submit and run your campaign, messages will only be sent to valid contacts and your credits will only be deducted for the valid contacts. And that's a wrap. You have now mastered the art of using Vokies' WhatsApp virtual platform to run efficient and effective marketing campaigns. So now you can proceed to buy WhatsApp virtual credits. Link is given in the description box.